Get more business and get found.
What is a marketing coach and why should you care about what that marketing coach is? What is their role? What do they do? That marketing coach is going to start at the very beginning and is going to help you be able to get your listings done. They're going to make suggestions to your business descriptions. They're going to help you find keywords. They're going to help you find products and services. They're going to be there for every single step. If you're using the social marketing suite, they're going to help you be able to pick out what is going to work for your business and what is not. They're going to help you what networks, how to be able to orchestrate that. They're going to help you use the AI tool, make content suggestions. There's a lot more they're going to be able to do there to be able to help you be able to be successful inside of the social media area. If we're talking AI SEO pixel, they're going to help, and they're in the behind the scenes. This is probably the heaviest part for a marketing coach because we're going through. We don't just let the AI go off and just totally just take over and go in complete control. What we do is we actually back that AI up a little bit. We deploy it out by doing everything as your marketing coach. So we're going through line by line. Any of the changes we make to content that's been looked at by a human doesn't mean that we're not going to make mistakes. It doesn't mean that there's going to be any of that. It's going to be perfect, but it takes a lot of that out. And it makes sure that you're compliant with whatever your goal is with your business and telling your story and being able to get you to be ranked up inside of the search. They're also going to help you with your reporting side. They're going to help you be able to look at your competitors. They're going to help you be able to look where you are inside of the rankings and what tweaks you need to do to your website and that type of thing. The entire goal and the reason why you have a marketing coach and not an account representative is because account reps, yeah, they might be knowledgeable and everything, but they're trying to sell you something. Your marketing coach, they are taking whatever plan you are on and they're trying to be able to make it to where you get the most for it, to where you get your bang for your buck. Being a small business, for a small business, you have less than 20 staff members on staff. We have developers, we have data scientists, we have content writers, we have marketing coaches, we have all that different side in there. And we're a very unique, small group. And the reason for that is we want to know you. It's a very intimate type of relationship. When you become a member of SimplyBeFound, you're not just a number. It's just not some big, huge piece. We're here to be able to see you be successful inside of your business and be able to help you get to that next level. That is the role of a marketing coach when you sign up for us. If you haven't already, take a look at our website at SimplyBeFound.com. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, hi, my name is Rob. It's great to meet you. Thank you for coming. It means the world to me. If you're back and you've watched videos before, you're a current member, thank you. That means a ton to me as well. And I appreciate all of the support that you've given. Make sure, if either way, that you like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a ton. So if you have any questions whatsoever, there's a chat on our website, SimplyBeFound.com, or send us an email at hello@SimplyBeFound.com. Look forward to it. Thanks and have a great day.
Get more business